Hey everybody, we're back. We have our model Alyxx, and we're going to use the V-flat, the black side, that absorbs the light. We're going to go with a plant. We're going to go with one light source, bare bulb. It's going to be a high contrast on her. Once we get to post, you'll see that the changes will be ever so lovely.
My main focus when I shoot this style, whether it's with Alyxx or anyone else, is to have an end product that looks artistic. I'm a fan of using a black V-flat to help create dramatic or moody images, especially if I position the light to create Rembrandt lighting. I'm not using a gridded softbox for this look, so the lighting will be hard, yet I make sure that it is not harsh and it's still appealing.
I feel like the one before.
When I'm in the studio, I enjoy adding the plant to add depth with the model and the dark background. I can use it to help frame my composition, and you should try to use what's around you, whether it's in studio or outdoors, to assist in making interesting portraits. The result I'm going for is to have Alyxx's set look similar to the following images. When I'm working on my final selected photos, I don't want to over edit. It definitely happens, especially when you start learning. For this style, I'll play with the saturation and then focus on adjusting the image with curves. Ideally, I don't want to do too much and want to make sure most of the look was done during the photo shoot. I very much enjoy working this style and will continue to do so. This brings a different style to Alyxx's rock and roll look. So if you liked the video, make sure you subscribe and smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.